Welcome to another episode of El Jefe's Chop Shop. This week we go adventuring, looking for trucks and looking for Corollas, and then we wash our car. Morning everyone, it's 6:40 in the morning. I'm going to head to Jackson's house, pick him up, and then we're going to an old wreckers out at Neary. But you all know how much I hate mornings, so this is a bit painful, but sometimes it's worth it when you're doing car stuff. So let's go. Let's get on the road. Let's go to Jackson's house. Central locking coming soon. Good morning.
Hello. Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Hello.
Drop you straight in it.
Oh,
So that we're going to the wreckers.
that's good.
Or to Neary. And then I'm picking you up, and that's about it.
Time for caffeine.
Yeah.
Bouncy. Okay, that's
Alright, so we just pulled up at the servo. Jackson's just getting some food, and then we'll head to the wreckers. So it's known as Dudley's or Mopper or something like that. It's a Neary Wreckers. It's just near Neary Utpa. And it is super old. I'll show you when we get there, but everything's from the 70s and before pretty much. So it's a pretty cool place. We've been going there for about 10 years, so makes me feel pretty old. But we'll be there soon, and we'll update you when we get there. I think we're an hour early. You can have a quick look from the outside, and then hopefully he opens. Hopefully he still opens to the public. Ooh, right there.
yeah. I don't think your two-wheel drive Hilux would like that too much.
No, probably not. Seems like it's bombed in my backyard. In wet grass.
I mean, heckin' crap. Oh shit.
Yeah, right. All right.
If in doubt, flat out, I guess.
Definitely winded myself.
Yeah, I think I need to get out and stretch my back. My drink is gone.
Oh dear.
There's Red Bull everywhere.
Not my smartest choice. That was uncomfortable. Slightly muddy. Sills are still straight. Oil pan still intact.
Red Bull tastes like mud.
That's because the mud's in the Red Bull and the Red Bull's in the mud. Red Bull. Red Bull. Red Bull. Whoops. Whoops. Not a paid production. Sponsor me though. Got mud on the back number plate somehow. Might not go that way back, hey? My back hurts.
Yeah.
I hope that shows as violent as it was on camera. They're good.
That is very cool.
Right next to the front gate. Massive old school bus. Old Bedford. Very cool. Old Blitz. Flooded V8. Finding cool stuff left, right and centre. Keep forgetting to pull the camera out, but this is especially cool. There's a tiny Honda. There's a very tiny Honda. It looks extra tiny because it's next to an International, but just to put it into perspective, that's how big it is. Jackson for reference. Jackson keeps trying to convince me to buy this old fire truck cab, or whatever you call it, fire tray.
I mean,
Oh, this is where they keep the GT Falcons. Hop in.
Look at all that Monaro stuff in here.
Hop in, Jackson.
Beware, crowbar overhead. No, it's not.
And it's not.
You're a liar.
It's the Tetness Express. Going to Adelaide, mate? Is this the bus to Adelaide?
The next bus to Adelaide will depart from Dudley's Farm, stopping at all stations.
So we just found a truck that I really like, but it's only got one door, which I'm spewing about. I think that's the other door there, but it's pretty much inverted at this point. I think it's a common knocker, but I'm not 100% sure. Someone will correct me. Awesome cab though. Style side tray on it, real stumpy. It's pretty much what I would like for another truck project that I haven't even started the first one yet. But it's only got one door. Another contender for a ute project. Old Austin. I really like this shape. It's hard to find them in good shape though. I like the style. But Jackson just pointed out the font on the Speedo. Hello ladies. Moo. Oh. So we found this Renault 12 wagon. It's got a really tidy dashboard, really nice center console, and really cool seats. And if you come in the back, there's a brand new fan belt. Very cool.
The door's closed.
And there's a receipt in it from '98, so it's been here for less than 22 years. Just when you thought I murdered Corollas. Look at this thing. Poor old K10. The bonnet doesn't shut. I tried. Spotlight roof. Spotlight hole in the roof. She's a bit trashed.
You could tell that they were performance oriented. The old GD40.
Oh, GD40 coil. Speed machine. Drove across country in one of these once. The old Datsun 240 or 260C. 280 maybe even.
Could be. I reckon it might be 260.
Cool old thing. It's missing a lot of parts. No grille, hardly any interior. Pretty trashed. Such a cool shape though. Found a Stout. Never actually seen this one before. I never paid attention to it anyway. It was a Stout anyway. Toyota. Not much left, but it is a Stout. 35 or a 30? Oh, sorry, 35 or a 55. I think it is, but bumper's not horrible. It's bent, but it's not horrible. Doors are trashed. Oh, grille's not bad. 36. Bumper's not too bad. The doors are actually okay. They're not trashed. What's that?
Did that aircon?
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's an early one. Yeah, a really early one. Yeah. The rear bar is actually pretty nice too. So I found this truck. It's another Austin. It's in way better shape than the other one was. There's no visible rust at all, like surface rust obviously, but no holes. A little bit of bodywork just in the corner here, but overall really solid. Might see how much he wants for this one. So this truck is the reason we're here, because Dale sent me photos of it and said it was really cool. The coolest part is it's an old service station truck, old BP truck. Strange old Fiat. To be fair, all Fiats are strange, but probably last time I was here. Odd.
Very cool.
So odd. Yeah, it is very cool. Very cool old bus. I realise we've said very cool many times in this video, but can't help it. Yeah, this is very cool. I love the roof line in this thing. The big visor. Guess what? It's very cool. K20. Someone's taken the crossmember. I wonder who that was. Any ideas? Who they might have taken the crossmember out of this one?
Cool dude.
Yeah, a couple of cool dudes. It's definitely in my K10 now.
Wait, is this crossmember in K10?
Yeah, that's got the chromes. Another K10. Wonder who cut the front off of this one. Another cool dude, I reckon. That's also on my K10 now. Yeah, I think so.
K10 that I haven't seen in 10 years.
Yeah, the one that's been at paint for 7 years or something. Not a lot of it left. Another K10. Heaps of the parts off of this one are in my shed as well. I think I cut the front off of this one as well, actually. Yep, front off of this one's in my shed as well.
There we go. XB GT manual, $6,000 in. This is
What did you say, 78 or something before?
70 something, yeah. 1977.
Another one. What colour do I want, Jackson? I think rust coloured is the colour I want, to be honest.
I think, the second one is down.
Oh, this door's trashed.
I like the way to keep it on.
Little hooks. That one's pretty bent by the looks of it, but yeah, I reckon the rust coloured one is the cleanest one.
Ooh, this one has a radiator.
Jackson's about to die. Come on, bud. You'll be right. Huh?
This was a really stupid idea.
Just do the old jump and bonnet slide. You'll be fine.
Alright, there we go.
Easy. Easy. He's alright. Trips over that bonnet right there. So we've seen a few of these here, but this is the first one with an actual grill. It's half taken out, but the truck itself is a bit trashed. Where the doors are anyway. The rest of it doesn't look too bad. The roof's been jumped in at some point. But take that grill, put it on one of the other ones, you're home free. Just to give you a scale of this place, this is the small side of the yard. It's crazy. Another 20, another early 20. Got a heap left of it. We got a few bits off of this over the years. Got the chromes as well though. Not bad. That's actually really bad, but not bad. Very cool old truck. Now the door's open from the back. So strange. The front ones, yeah, the foot window, so everyone can see your calves. Water pump's still good. Oh, slowing down. Visit Marcus. He's finally got his sleeker back on the road. Looking good.
Time to wash off the filth. Yeah, you're gonna give us a sexy car wash pose.
So we're at the car wash, and this bloke is in the touch-free car wash line, and he's rubbing his car down with a broom. Dry. There's no water on his car at all. He's just rubbing the mud on with the broom.
After doing his wheels.
On this bucket that he found. What a silly Billy. Wow. If this is your dad, like, get onto him. So we just finished at the self-serve car wash, and the Hilux is still absolutely filthy. So we're waiting for this old bloke to get out of the way. Then we'll get this auto car wash to give us a run over. Hopefully it'll look reasonable. I don't care if it's clean, it's just got to be a little bit better than it is. But we're getting the super wash for $15.
Hell yeah, brother!
And we got the underbody high pressure wash. So rest in peace to their clean floor, because this is going to be just mud everywhere. So the automatic car wash did a better job than I did. I think I got most of it off, but it sort of just finished it off, so at least it's reasonably clean now. So that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.